Imagine that quantum leaping is nothing from jumping from one branch of the tree to another branch. And the scary thing is, we do not know what the other branch has. So we think quantum leaping means like stepping from one version into another version, like something stepping from one branch to another branch of the tree. But the truth is, you feel like you are stepping, the person or the thing that is stepping is you. But the reality is, you are the tree, you are the paths, and the version that you think is stepping is not you but your consciousness. So you are the tree, you are the paths to multiple versions that already exists. But the thing that is jumping is your consciousness. And one thing that came really strongly in the class was, what are the adjectives that you associate with yourself? For example, people that I come across were really good in studies at school. Okay, they were really good at studies and they were kind of in the top 5, top 10, or even like more than average, that if we want to call it. So what happened was, they associated themselves with the word being smart and clever and people who know it all. So when you have the identity of a person who is smart, who knows it all, and who has everything in control, you actually cap yourself, you actually stop yourself from entering into a completely new version of you. Because if you really want to quantum leap, if you really want to step into different versions of yourself, which is like manifest something really big or manifest something that is way different than your reality, guess what needs to happen? When you are stepping into the unknown, you need to just surrender to the unknown, where sometimes you might look stupid. Sometimes you will not know what is going to happen. Sometimes you won't be able to figure out what is happening exactly at that moment. So if you have this identity of, no, I'm very smart, like I have been very smart, I know everything, and etc., etc., I'm a successful person, or like whatever, you're not going to allow yourself to jump into a different version of you. Because whenever you start something new, whenever you are trying to figure out something new, you will have to look stupid, you will have to fail, you will have to kind of see your identity kind of crushing. And that is where people slip up. People don't want to let go of that identity of them being smart. And the truth is, as a human, as a consciousness, you are not just white or black or grey. You are actually all of that. You are also smart, you are also average, and you are also not so smart. You are all in the spectrum. And if you just hold on to being smart or to being something, then guess what's happening? You are blocking yourself from seeing different paths in your life, different branches, different versions of you in your life. Because if you really want to change your life, like a completely new life, a completely new reality, guess what's gonna happen? You'll have to like let go of this being smart, being successful, and also try to come into the spectrum of like, okay, maybe sometimes I can fail, I can allow myself to fail, I can make mistakes, I can try to figure out things, and it is okay if I do not know it all at that moment. It is okay. So when you do that, things are gonna shift for you. So here is an exercise for you, because in every video I kind of try to give you exercises, which is, what are the words that you are associating yourself with? It's like, oh, I'm really smart, or like, I was really good, so I need to know everything. And then if I was really good academically, I cannot fail, or this or that. What are the words that you associate with yourself, like while growing up, especially in school? Like, in a way, if you're holding it so strongly to being smart, to be the person who knows it all, you yourself are blocking yourself from stepping into the most highest potential that you have. So, the people who are really good at academics at school, here is my question. If you really want to change yourself, if you really want to try to quantum leap, what are the words that you have associated with yourself at an energetic level you are holding on to, that you are not able to let go? Maybe it's time to journal that out. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.